Nabtesco Welding Robots, a fusion of innovation and performance. Nabtesco welding robots represent the cutting edge of industrial automation, making them an ideal choice for any project that necessitates accuracy and speed. Not only do they provide greater efficiency and reliability, but also increased safety. Capable of executing complex commands at lightning speeds, allowing even difficult applications to be completed with extraordinary precision in minimal time frames. Quality assurance is necessary to maintain the reliability of the welding robots by evaluating their performance and ensuring that they meet the necessary specifications.